Hi, this is Scott with Airmax, here to talk about Airmax Ultra Pondweed Defense. Whether weeds are submerged, floating, or shoreline plants, they can be a nuisance. Not to mention a potential hazard to the health of your pond or lake. Airmax Ultra Pondweed Defense offers a broad spectrum control over nuisance weed overgrowth. Ultra Pondweed Defense works on all pond weeds including submerged, floating, and shoreline weeds such as watermilfoil, hydrilla or elodia, naiad, coontail, and other common pondweeds. Ultra Pondweed Defense may also be used for short-term control of duckweed and watermeal in slow-moving water. For best results, apply Ultra Pondweed Defense while the nuisance weeds are actively growing. Ultra Pondweed Defense is available in multiple sizes to best suit your needs. 1 quart of Ultra Pondweed Defense can treat up to 5,000 square feet. Always reference the product label for appropriate protective equipment, application rates, and water use restrictions. Mix the required amount of Ultra Pondweed Defense and pond water in your tank sprayer in accordance with the product label. For best results, add Treatment Booster Plus. Treatment Booster Plus enhances the effectiveness of treatments by helping break the water's surface tension for submerged weed growth and to penetrate the waxy cuticle of emergent weed foliage. Add 2 fluid ounces of Treatment Booster Plus for every 1 gallon of treatment solution. Agitate the treatment solution in the tank sprayer to ensure a proper mixture. Adjust your spray nozzle and pump up your sprayer just enough to produce a coarse spray. To minimize drift and bounce back of the spray, do not overpressurize the sprayer. Apply good coverage to the target nuisance weeds for best results. Treated weeds will begin to brown and die within 7 to 10 days. For more information, contact your local dealer or visit us online at airmaxeco.com.